Hello. In this video, I'm going to showcase how to translate Google-related documents and slides. The first two examples I'm going to showcase is with a Google Docs, and then the third one will be with Google Slides. So let's get to the English version. This is an English version of a lesson, okay? Now, the most direct way to translate this document is to go to the Tools section at the top left in Google Docs. Once you click on the Tools section, you'll see these different features. The one to use to translate is Translate Document. You click on Translate Document. You choose the language that you want to translate the document to. I already have one preset for French, so you just simply click and then it translates, and then you click the option of translating. It's already set, as I mentioned, to French, which is right here. And so you have the document translated directly into another language. Now, this is the most simple and direct. But now let's say, for whatever reasons, you have students who have some level of English proficiency. Then I would suggest that you do this second option. You create a blank document, you go to Insert in this document, and then you insert a table, a 2x2 table, as you see here. What I do sometimes, depending on the level of proficiency of my students, is I'll have an English version of the document and then another translated version. So all you do is go back to the original document, you copy everything that you want to be translated, from the informational material to the performance task, what have you. You copy it, you go to the English version, you paste the English version on, and then everything gets translated. Everything is put in English. Now, to translate this, you simply can go to Google Translate on the Google search engine. You choose the language that you want to translate it to, as I did here. I simply copy what I translated. I go back, and now it gets translated into French. Now, bear in mind, generally these translation apps are about anywhere between 60 to 80% proficient, or efficient, I should say. And generally, when you use idioms and expressions, they get lost in translation. But for the most part, in terms of my experience, most of the students who I've done this for always at least get the gist of the lesson. Okay. And of course, you can copy any images that you like. That will be entirely up to you. Okay, so these are the two ways that I know how to translate documents using Google Docs. You could translate it literally using the tools and go to translate the document, or you could take that extra step and simply do an English version and then a translated version. Okay, that's for Google Docs. Now, a Google Slide is a little more involved. As far as I know, there's no way to translate any of the text or information that you have in the Google Slides, but you can translate when you're doing your speaking presentation. So for example, if you have presentation mode in Google Slide, you have the option of doing the captions. The captions are in English. There's no direct way currently to translate using the Google Slides into another language, but Microsoft PowerPoint does give teachers the ability to do that, and I will show you. The first step is to take your Google PowerPoint or your Google Slide, and you simply download it to your computer. So you click the download option. Download it as a Microsoft, okay? You download it as a Microsoft. Now, depending on whether you have a Mac, a PC, or a Chromebook, this seems to work. Right now, I'm doing this on a Chromebook. After you download it to your desktop, you simply go to the PowerPoint on the web. Okay? As teachers, we have access to Microsoft PowerPoint on the web right here. You click on this option, which is the web, and then you simply upload what you downloaded to your computer. It's taking a while to load. See how it says upload right here? You can upload. So it's at the bottom right. You can upload whatever document. I already